Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. Diwali or Deepavali is one of the biggest Indian festival and also a major occasion. The festival has great religious significance for Hindus. Deepavali is celebrated by decorating homes with lamps and candles, bursting of firecrackers and sparklers, eating sweets and other mouth-watering dishes, praying to God and Goddess, observing religious ritual, wearing new dresses and sending wishes and gifts to one another. So on this occasion, I am going to teach you a paper lantern in easy way. So let's start the work. For making paper lantern, material required, you can take one color paper or you can take different colors paper. Then Fevicol we need, scissors, pencil, rounder or compass, a decorative thread and scale. So let's start the work. Now before starting our work, now how much big a lantern you want, you are going to take that much measurement on your compass. Now I am going to take a 7 centimeter from my lantern. Now here I am going to make a circle of 7 centimeter. Now how much big you want, you are going to take that much measurement and then you are going to make a circle. Now like this circle, 15 circles you are going to make it and you are going to cut it and keep it ready. Here my 15 circles are ready now. Now here I have taken 3 colors. You can take one color or you can take different colors also. After completing this one, now one by one we are going to now take one circle first. Now fold this one in the center in this way. Press it with your fingers. Again open it. Now opposite direction you are going to fold it. Now here you will get a center point. Here is the center point. Now what you are going to do is you are going to bring this here. Corners are very important. You are going to see the corners. You are going to check the line. It should be equally folded. One fold here, then one fold opposite side in this direction. Press it with your finger. Check that equally it should be folded. See the center point. Till the center point it will come, so that all the parts will be equally folded. Corners are also very important. Then the down part. See these two corners, it should go neatly in this direction. So in this way your triangle will be made. Now after opening you can see that your triangle will be like this. In this way all the papers, all the circles, you are going to fold it and keep it ready. In this way all the 15 circles are folded. Now how to arrange that one to stick it. Now see here, just like a flower we are going to arrange it in this way. First yellow I am taking. In this way we are going to arrange it, and with the help of Fevicol now we are going to paste all these corners 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this way we are going to paste it. I will show you how to paste that one. Just open all the circles, apply the Fevicol here. See that corners are very important. You have to pay your attention to the corners. And then this circle you are going to open it, and this will go here. In this way we are going to paste this corner first. See the corners. Again come this side. Just apply Fevicol here. Put the Fevicol to the corner also, and then open this one.
and it will come here on this one. See, the corners are important. Again, I am telling you, you have to pay your attention to the corners. Otherwise, the circle, the roundness of the lantern will be wrong. So you have to pay the attention there. Just press it slowly. Now come this side. Now here again apply the Fevicol. Same way, all the 15 parts you are going to make round. Now after pasting this one, now open this circle and bring this here. Slowly and neatly you have to go. So the neatness is very important here. And then this one, come this side, apply the Fevicol, open this, apply the Fevicol here. Now this is the last corner. Now here, after pasting this one, the roundness of the lantern will be, see here. Now you are going to bring this one here closer. So the roundness, it will be formed automatically. Slowly you have to go. See the roundness now. You can see it. In this way, it will be created. Now in this way, the round shape will be there. Now turn it back. Now apply Fevicol here. In this way. So the corner should be very carefully. You have to see the corners. And then I am taking pink color here. And this will come here upside. See the corners. Again paste it neatly. Press it. After completing this, come to this side. Open this. Go on pasting all the pink color around to that. Now here we have completed our pink color paper. Now here in this gap we are going to bring our red color paper and we are going to paste it here in such a way so that the roundness of the lantern will be completed. In this way we are going to start pasting the work. Now just apply the Fevicol here. Same procedure, same technique you are going to use here. In this way, see the corners. Again I am telling you, the corners are very important. So apply the Fevicol to the corner also, because this side is going to come out and our, see the corners, you are going to pay the attention to the corners. It is very important. In this way we are going to paste it here first, then the another side again we are going to apply Fevicol here. All the red color papers we are going to paste it one by one, side to side. More Fevicol you have to apply. This is our last piece we are pasting of our lantern. You have to check the roundness of this one, otherwise but the shape will be wrong, and whatever work you have done, it will be waste. So just paste this one. Now see here, you have to check while pasting this. In this way the roundness of the lantern will be completed. Slowly, neatly you have to check all the parts now, because this is coming outside and that is the main part of our decoration. In this way our lantern is completed. Now you can see the roundness of this. Now after that one, if you want to decorate the outside part, if you have the pieces of colorful paper, you can make flowers of that one, small flowers by your own. Anyhow you can make it, and for decoration, just if it is empty, if you want, you can decorate that one by cutting the flowers in different shapes, and you can paste that one outside here, so it will look more beautiful. In this way I will show you, like this, cut in any shape, you can paste it here in this way. So that now for yellow I have taken red. For red you can take yellow. Here in the center you can go on pasting, so it will look more beautiful. Like this decoration you can do by your own. If you have any beads in your house or any laces of decorative lace or bindis, you can paste it here, so it will look more beautiful. If you have less decorative threads, you can put that one also for decorating your lamp. Now you can see here, after pasting the flowers, it looks more beautiful. You can see. Now after completing this one, now here you can tie this lantern with the decorative thread or a normal. Now here I am going to tie this one with a normal. For that one, what you are going to do is that for all the parts here in the center, you are going to make a hole. Make a hole with a rounder or with a punching machine, you can do. Here in the center you are going to make the hole. In this way, in the hole you are going to put the thread, and after that you are going to put a big knot here, so that it will not come out of the hole. In this way you are going to go on putting a knot, or you can paste that one with the sellotape, so that it will not come out of the hole. In this way it is completed. Now you have to hold it in this, in the center, all the threads, all the parts of the thread together, you are going to hold it, and here you are going to put a knot in this direction, it will come. Now with the help of thread, you are going to put the wire here, and you are going to tie the wire here to the thread, and then after that one we are going to on this one, so it will look like this. See here, now your paper lantern is completed. So make it, decorate it, enjoy. Happy Diwali. Thank you.